Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at another 2019 Harris pontoon. It's a 230 Sunliner model. As you can see, it's kind of a deep red color. Gorgeous boat. The nice sticker on the side there added just a little accent to it. This boat is powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury engine. This boat is what we consider to be our single lounger option. So you can see here in the back, we have a nice wraparound lounger. This backrest can flip forward and backwards. So you have a nice area to hang out on the back. You can legally sit there while you're underway. And then in the front here you have two loungers. Storage under every seat. As you can see, there's some recessed cup holders, which are really nice, out of the way. All three of the loungers have a flip down armrest, which is very comfortable. Here at the helm, the high back captain chair has an adjustable seat option, so you can lift it up and down. And here at the helm we have a Fusion Audio head unit, as well as your fuel gauge, your miles per hour gauge, your depth finder, trim gauge, and so on. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.